Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. This one is really good and really delicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, super simple air fried salmon recipe that is fail proof, and anyone can do it. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, I have 2 pieces of salmon. I have some melted butter. I also have this chili. Let me make sure I'm right, child, because at this point, I have some green ancho chili seasoning that I got from HEB, and that's what I'm using, as well as this garlic butter, which is so good. Y'all know, child, I'm not being, sponsored, but y'all know I'm always going to be using McCormick because it's a one-stop shop. So you want to slather your salmon with the melted butter. Now, before we even get to this step, your salmon needs to be at room temperature. So I pulled my salmon out of the refrigerator. I rinsed it up, got it nice and clean, pat dried it, and I left it on my counter. Went and took care of my kid, washed up some bottles, came back. It was about 45 minutes later, and that's when I started making this video. Your salmon is not going to go bad sitting on the counter. Nothing's going to happen. You want to do that because you want your salmon to cook evenly, right? And if you cook it right out the refrigerator, what's going to happen? It's going to be messed up on the middle and overcooked on the outside. So you don't want that. And that's the most important step. Even if you don't even season it, honey, I'd rather y'all not even season it than to cook the cold salmon. So once you add the spices all over top like I'm doing here, y'all, this butter seasoning, y'all need to put this butter seasoning in some rice, okay, with some real butter, and cook the rice. It's so good. So now I'm gonna put my salmon pieces on my air fryer tray, or if you have like the drawer air fryer, that's when you preheat it and put it down in there. And now I'm going to pop it into my air fryer, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. All right, so this is a salmon going in the air fryer, and I'm going to put it on 375 for 10 minutes. That's all I cooked this for, 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like once it's done. You're going to shut it off or remove it. This is how it looks. Perfectly golden, cooked all the way through. Okay, period. That butter and that spice was just so good on this salmon. Right down this and throat. I hope y'all give it a try. So this is what it looks like on a plate. Evenly cooked. As you can see, it's all the way evenly cooked. And I'm going to show you guys the inside. Also, you want to allow your salmon to rest. Don't just go, messing it up and eating it right away. Let it rest for a few minutes, just like you would a steak or a piece of, chicken or something. And, it'll be right on point. So this is what it looks like. Nice and moist, perfectly cooked. As you can look at the layers, all the layers are the same. Literally, they're the same. It's not one part cooked and the other part is not, or one part's, dry and whatever. But this is how it looks. Nice and moist, delicious. And I hope you guys give it a try. But thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. Drop your requests below. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.